2018 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, front-wheel drive, rear defrost. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.